tonight to 9 a.m. Monday. What? Temperatures as low as 33 will result in frost formation. Where? Portions of central, northern and southern New Jersey, east central and southeast Pennsylvania and northern Delaware. When? From midnight tonight to 9 a.m. Monday. Impacts. Frost could kill sensitive outdoor vegetation if left uncovered. The offshore waters forecast for south of Long Island between Montauk Point and Sandy Hook, out to 1,000 fathoms. Today, west winds 20 to 30 knots. Seas 4 to 7 feet. Chance of showers. Tonight, northwest winds 20 to 30 knots. Seas 5 to 9 feet. Monday, northwest winds 15 to 25 knots, becoming west to southwest 5 to 15 knots. Seas 4 to 7 feet. Monday night, southwest winds 5 to 15 knots, becoming south 10 to 15 knots. Seas 3 to 4 feet.